What color's that?
Pink again.
Look up, Kaden. Kaden, look up. Look at Mommy. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Grandma Terry.
Thank you, Grandma Terry.
Good boy. Do you like your paints?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that pretty picture Kaden's doing. Oh my gosh. More yellow. Oh, that's nice. Dot, dot. Oh, you got some pink in there. Mixed it up. Made it a pretty color, huh?